So, you're really motivated. You know what you want to accomplish and you know what you need to do. And yet, you can't seem to start.
What?
So instead of studying, you end up using your
Facebook.
Instagram again for the 110 times your phone and convincing yourself manifesting uno. And later, after so many workloads,
I'm exhausted.
you stop and telling yourself that
This is for my mental health.
but I fulfilled my studies and at the same time do well with my household chores and my responsibilities. If you are curious, I use Notion to plan my schedules and write my to-do list. It has features like an automatic to-do list that organizes everything for you, assistant to take note of your important assignments, a tracking system for your classes, revision plans, and so much more. Planning your schedule and writing down what you have to do can really help you stay organized and focus on your goals. If you didn't know already, Notion is a super popular free app and website for both iOS and Android that allows you to get organized, write notes, plan for your budget, collaborate, and so much more. Sign up now for a free Notion account.
Genshin Impact is an open-world action RPG game developed and published by MiHoYo, a Chinese video game development and animation studio based in Shanghai, China, founded in 2012 by 3 students from Shanghai Jiaotong University. The game was released for Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4 and 5, Android and iOS. Genshin Impact is an open-world action role-playing game in which the player controls one of 4 different characters in a party. During combat, switching between characters can be done fast, allowing the player to use a variety of skills and attacks. Character strengths can be improved in a variety of ways, including by raising their level and strengthening their artifacts and weapons. Aside from exploration, the player can participate in other challenges to earn rewards. The Fantasy World of Teyvat is the setting for Genshin Impact, which is home to 7 unique nations, each of which is linked to a different element and ruled by a different god. The traveler who has gone across innumerable worlds with their twin sibling until becoming separated in Teyvat is the protagonist of the novel. The traveler, accompanied by Paimon, sets out in search of their missing sibling, all the while becoming embroiled in the affairs of Teyvat's nation.